Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. In our previous video, we showed you how to um, adjust dynamically the width of your report so that any inclusion, you don't have to make any changes in the code. The code automatically adjust as you include the more data in here. For example, July, August, and September. So it will automatically adjust the width of the report, right? So next before we go to to show you how quickly we can change this report from product to supplier. We have a supplier tab, and we have tens of supplier. As many suppliers you have, no problem. Okay, and supplier-wise report can also be in the same matter. Instead of product, there will be supplier, and the suppliers will be listed here, and how much amount was ordered on a certain month, on a given month, so that it will be shown, and on the totals will come up, will appear here, right? So before we proceed to supplier, let's do one thing. The quantities, when we sum, we don't want to appear, the figures to appear here, because the summing of the quantities does not make any sense. The values is fine. You can, if you run with the values and amounts, that's fine. The total should appear. And when you use the quantities summary matrix, then the value will disappear, right? So how we did it? So we will show you. This is the way we call how we use the conditional formatting to show or hide the data, right? When you don't want some things to appear, you can hide it, right? On the basis of some condition, right? So the conditional formatting is here, and when you go home into the home tab, and then you go to the rule. Yes, you can manage rule, you can clear rules, whatever, right? So here we have created already the rule. So I show you that what is the rule here we have made. Let's edit this rule, right? So this is the rule. So we are saying here that hide, you see, preview is hidden. The hide any figure when C1 is not equal to, this is called not equal to total amount. Means if it is quantities, right? So it is not, it is going to hide the pattern, right? Hide the appearance of the figures will be there, but they will be hidden, right? So to hide the thing, we need to understand how to put the formula in the conditional formatting. You mention the absolute address of C1, and then not equal to, and then you give this condition. Yes, exactly. It should be the a way in which it is appearing a total amount, right? And then you, in the formats, you you tell that what format you are going to do. So all you need to do is change the color to white. Since you have the white background and the foreground, that is the color of the font, is also is white, then it disappears. That's right. Okay. So this is how we do it. Let me clear the rule for you so that for better understanding. Yeah. So let's go to first of all, pick the address where we want to see what is written here. This is written here, Control C. Let's make a Control C here so that we don't have to type. Now, in here, we select first where we want to apply the conditional formatting, right? And only if you select this, it is also enough. Otherwise, you can select the whole expected range, okay? And then you go to the conditional formatting. You clear any already existing conditional formatting, right? From the selected cell, for example, right? And then you go back to the conditional formatting and you apply the new rule, use a formula to determine, and here you write equal to, and then click here to make it C dot, right? Absolute address, and then not equal, then you write not equal to this way, not equal to, right? And then begin quotes and Control V to paste what we have selected, and then we close the quotes, right? And in the format, we go to the font and we make the color white, the foreground color white. Background is also white, foreground is also white. So that means it is going to be hidden if it is not equal to so. So no impact will be shown at the moment, but as soon as you run for the quantities other than amounts, this is going to be hidden, right? So I wanted to show you the aspects of the conditional formatting. You can make use of conditional formatting in numerous ways and to make your reports more meaningful and purposeful and improve the readability of your report. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, in the next video, we are proceeding towards the supplier report, and we are planning to show you the two. Well, first we will do the normal sum if procedure, and the next we will show you another way of making this matrix. Okay, thank you very much.